Hi everyone, today we'll fix Blackberry that's stuck on the logo and won't start. Files you need is in the description and the model, I'll show you how to find the model. Open your back and there you can see the model. I'm using Q10 and my version is next to it. So mention it onto some paper and then go to the link in the description. Open that description, click on download. And on this page you have to find the model like mine is Q10 and my software version series is 3, so I'm going to download it. After that, run it and install it, run it as administrator. Make sure that your desktop manager is installed so it will show you no driver issues. Okay, after that, run the autoloader file that you have already downloaded and plug your phone in software mode like unplug the battery and connect it to the source with your USB cable. Okay, let's run the autoloader manually. Okay, as you can see, it's detected my phone and I'm going to show you my phone. There you go. Green light is on software mode. Now let it flash. I'll be back once it's done. It will take time depending on the speed of your PC and also your mobile device. There are three different process. It will like write the NAND and other things. Make sure you didn't unplug the cable or do anything like dangerous. I'll be back once it's done. Okay, there you go. My flashing is done and my Blackberry is starting into a normal mode. Now it will flash the file again onto phone this time, not on the laptop. So it will show you this process, and if you click on it, it will show you the percentage that how much it will take, like you can see. Now just wait till it turn on 100%. If your phone is charged, then you can unplug the cable, and if won't charge, then don't unplug the cable. There you go. My Blackberry Q10 is now on the start mode. There you go. Now follow the wizard, and if you have some Blackberry ID, just place in it and then go. That's all for today. See you in the next video very soon. And if you have any question, queries, you can ask me in the comments. And if you want to share this video to help others, do that as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon. God bless us, brothers and sisters, Gaza and Iran.